Legends of Learning presents The Dust Road, a journey through the Great Depression game. This is a history game that makes learning about the Great Depression fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, students guide a family across a 15-stop journey towards a better life, managing food, cash, health, truck condition, morale, and hope, while facing the same kinds of trade-offs Americans faced in the 1930s. Each stop includes a primary source from the era and a meaningful choice with clear consequences, so students learn through evidence, cause and effect, and historical reasoning. By the end, students can connect everyday decisions to major events and the government responses that shaped the decade. Use the mouse to click to select different decisions that will affect the well-being of your family as you navigate through the Great Depression. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of history to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.